Commissioner, this is Blake's gang. Here are our findings so far.
The decedent is Anna Garcia, age 20, female, height of 5'6" and weight of 135 pounds. She is an active college student and soccer player.
The decedent was found dead in a lab room at the Gentry Life Science Building. On a normal day, the decedent could be found at the lab, soccer practice, and the library.
We believe that the decedent's time of death was between 8 p.m. and 9 a.m.
To investigate the scene, we found the decedent unresponsive with blood scattered on the table and floor.
After we took time to label the evidence, these are the objects we found.
Object 1. This is the body of our decedent, Anna Garcia. She was found between the 3 tables and the wall.
This is a pair of latex gloves with an unknown chemical spilled onto them. This is found on table 1.
This is an unknown hair sample on the back of the decedent.
This is a note with the phrase, "See you later," written on it.
This is blood near and on the decedent's head.
This is blood on the table closest to the decedent's head.
This is eggs and maggots on the decedent's head.
This is a phone near the decedent's head.
This is a fallen chair near the decedent's body.
This is a test tube rack with unknown chemicals in the test tubes.
And this is a ripped piece of paper.
Now we will move on to our main suspects, Eric Piedmont and Dominique Hall.
Eric Piedmont, the boyfriend of our decedent, raised suspicion due to his hair and fingerprints and his results on the polygraph test. The polygraph suggests that he lied on question 2 and 4. Eric and Miss Garcia have also been seen in disagreement and arguing.
Dominique Hall is another one of our suspects due to her result on the polygraph test and for being near the crime when it could have been committed. Her answer to case question 4 is incredibly concerning. She was also the last person to have seen the decedent. After digital analysis of Ms. Garcia's phone, we were able to put together a digital timeline of events, as shown here on the screen. We were also able to match fingerprints and hair found at the crime scene to Eric Piedmont. That is shown with this piece of evidence here and this piece of evidence here, which also points to Anna Garcia being at the crime scene.
Once we singled out Eric Piedmont, who was at the scene at some point, we ran a preliminary blood test to make sure the red substance found around Anna Garcia's body was blood. The test came back positive for blood and for type A blood. Type A blood matched both Dominique and Eric Piedmont, which also matched Anna Garcia.
After finding the blood test results, we performed the DNA fingerprint test, and the DNA of the blood at the scene matched that of our decedent.
Based on the evidence we have so far, I believe that Anna Garcia's death was a complete accident. When we first walked in and analyzed Anna Garcia's body, we noticed a major head injury she had suffered from, which we think happened at soccer practice. We then noticed chemicals in a fallen chair from the furthest table and blood on the edge of the middle table. We believe that she got a whiff of some chemicals, felt nauseous, fell out of her chair, and hit her head on the middle table, creating a gash in the already weak spot in her head, knocking her out cold. Then we believe she bled out to her passing.
As for what's next, we need to analyze the decedent's corpse, as this could indicate whether she may have had a head injury or may have been murdered. We also need to analyze the chemicals and see how they could have affected the body.
This is the end of our update. Signing off, Commissioner.